Video today talking about Bonk. Again, it's been a while since I made a video on Bonk. I think I've probably made like two, three, maybe like up to five videos total here on Bonk. The meme coin on Solana, in my opinion, when we're talking about the safest. And again, to use the word safe is, um, I don't want to be misleading, but it is tough to say any crypto is safe just be given the volatility in the market. But when we talk about meme coins and the word safe, when we talk about meme coins and floors that these meme coins can essentially reach in a bull market, Bonk is, my opinion, the safest in my just given where it is now, where it could potentially go, and just kind of the overall um, floor that it does have as a meme coin. Obviously, we look at Bonk over the last month. It's up 144%. Like, we're seeing a lot of meme coins really fly right now. But actually, before I continue with the video, there's a link in the description below of this video. I just opened up a Discord. People have been leaving comments asking for it. People have been even messaging me on Telegram, email, asking if I had some sort of Discord premium group. So link in the description below of this video. Join the Discord. I think it's honestly, in my opinion, one of the cheapest Discords for crypto communities in crypto that exist. And obviously, it's a brand new thing, so obviously it's going to take some time to develop. I am also looking for Discord mods as well. Message me on Discord. But nonetheless, let's get with the video. Bonk up 144%, like I said, over the last month, doing very well. Similar to a lot of meme coins. If we compare Bonk's chart to Solana's chart, it is very similar, which makes a ton of sense. And similarly to Turbo, that sits on top of Ethereum, we kind of have seen this same thing where Turbo's chart almost identically mirrors Ethereum's chart, and Bonk is the same way, which is great for altcoin season when we essentially do get altcoin season when you know chains like Solana and Ethereum obviously are going to be flying, and then these meme coins will essentially be following suit, right? So the chart's identical as far as the graphic of the chart. Obviously, like Bonk's up 144 and Solana's only up 29%. But even if you look a little bit bigger in the last year, Solana compared to Bonk, somewhat similar charts as well. I mean, actually very similar charts. So nonetheless, like Solana, let me go back to Solana here. I say this to say that Solana is going to have its time again, right? We saw back in 2021, Solana was like the real winner of 2021. Literally went from 270 million market cap in April to a 3.8, or let me go to market cap. Sorry, it went from a 3.2 billion dollar market cap to a 69 billion market cap from April to November, which again goes to again show you the type of runs in altcoin season that these coins can have. And then obviously when these coins have their runs, it trickles down into the meme coins that run up pretty extensively. And obviously Bonk wasn't around in 2021 when Solana had his last crazy run, but Bonk at one point, let me go to market cap, obviously it's all-time high. Back in December, the fall or late quarter four of last year, 3.72 billion market cap, which coincided with Solana's all-time high. So imagine if we can see a run up again where we see Solana hit that 200, 300 plus billion market cap. Wanted to share a couple tweets here. I'll put links to these tweets in the description below this video as well. Bonk today, according to webtrend.co, takes the spotlight as the strongest market mover. Obviously, it bodes well when you see meme coins be some of those top market movers. And then more specifically, when you see Solana meme coins, because there has been so much volatility with Solana with pump fund and things like that. I think it is really good to see in the long term. And then also this tweet here, EBZT doubles down on turnaround with public listing strategy, strategic outreach to Bonk, Pepe, SPX 6900 teams to help shape meme strategies treasury. Again, I think this is just bullish long term. This is obviously posted on the NASDAQ website. But things like this, when it comes to meme coins, getting these type of strategic, I don't even want to call them partnerships, but strategic, let's call them friendships, or just strategic narratives that get placed upon these meme coins. Long term, it's bullish. I don't think in the short term it does anything to effectively or drastically affect the price. But when we see these types of things in news when it comes to meme coins, it is very bullish. And again, nonetheless, we talk about Bonk. With the market cap of Pepe's all-time high, which is around 11 billion. It's a 4x from here, which obviously isn't a great multiplier when it comes to like when you're comparing other potential meme coins, right? Especially like low market cap gems that people buy and things like that. But I mean, we're talking about in a bull market, Pepe Bonk's all-time high, I believe, is what, almost 4 billion. It can easily 3-4x from there, which would put it obviously higher than 11 billion. Probably, I mean, I think Bonks could potentially 10x this cycle easily. Um, even 15x, which would be monumental, I think, for a lot of people that are already up significantly on Bonk. But yeah, nonetheless, you guys let me know in the comments below how you feel about Bonk. Again, link to join the Discord in the description below. And as always, have a great day.